Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can work in Use Shippo to complete your orders, shipments, to see the analytics and really micromanage your orders. First things first, we have to create ourselves an account at goshippo.com or log into our existing account. Once we're in here, as you can see, straight away we can see all the informations that we can do or we can comprehend in Use Shippo, and this is our taskbar or workspace. Let's go to the left, and as you can see, there are orders. I already created one, just so you can see. And then there are shipments, analytics, which I strongly recommend, settings. Let's go back, and help center. We should start and focus on settings first. As you can see, there's your account. General, there is a plan. For example, if you want to become a paid user, billings, you can add a credit card or promo code and profile itself. Then we have some pro options for branding and users, and straight away integrations. There we should start to integrate Use Shippo, for example, with Shopify. As you can see, Shopify, I already made some videos about it, so go and check them out, how to use them and how to use it and so on. And very easily you can make this integration work. Just click in at Shopify and then copy paste your URL. Then there's Wix, WooCommerce, Squarespace, Square, and Amazon. Carriers, those are the guys that will deliver your orders. For example, we can even connect a carrier account, but defaultly everything is scratched in. You can connect it or not connect it. By clicking at Connect Carrier Account, you can micromanage the carriers that you want to hire to deliver your packages. Mainly, it's really dependent where you live. For example, Orange, Passport, but DLG e-commerce will be, I would say, or UPS and FedEx, the most used ones. APIs, if you need to make integration, or if you want to make an integration through third-party software or third-party app like Automate or Zapier, you just simply click on generate token and you copy paste this token as like a second way of authentication. Then there are apps. You have no authorized apps, and then configurations. I strongly recommend to actually give some love to your, for example, social media, Instagram, Facebook, and so on, and really go for like labels, addresses. If you want to create a label for your pickup driver, then there are packages. We are going in centimeters and kilograms because we are in Europe. Tracking page, notifications, and automatizations. But you have to upgrade the plan. Let's go back to orders. Straight away, as you can see, I already created one, but let's create another one. What do we have to do? We have to go to create label. This label contains of a sender address and the recipient address. All of those are obviously fake, but let's go, for example, this is our sender address. Let's go with recipient. Let's go Jessica Stone, company, let's say no company. Yeah, let's make it up. Let's go like this. Like this. This address is a residential address as well. Oh, sorry. And uses a return address as well. So the package will leave from my address, and if I won't be able to deliver it, or the guys from DHL or UPS won't be able to deliver it, it will go back to address that you use as a second one, for example, your personal one. And then next, order details. Right now, we have to address the packages. For example, let's go and pick an item. Description. For example, big box, quantity 1. I don't know why we have still this one here. Unit value. Let's go with euros. Country of origin, Slovakia. And add. And as you can see, we have one big box. We can still add more. Quantity 1, weight 2 kilos, and value 150 euros. Now let's go to custom dimensions. For carrier provided parcels, or enter custom dimensions. Let's go like this. Length, it won't be in inches, and it will be in centimeters. Let's go 50 times 25 times height 25. Save. At the moment you won't be able to get the rates, because first of all you have to make one first, yeah, DHL Express master account doesn't support shipment from outside of the US. But if you change the DHL Express to UPS, for example, it will work. Now you can add a signature confirmation, shipment insurance, and if it contains alcohol. Yet we can edit the recipient or addresses, and so on and so on. And since we don't have this one covered yet, we can't press buy, but that's just so you know. We have one Jessica Stone, order placed, and now when we squared this box, as you can see, 0 of 1 is ready. Edit email addresses, shipment options, package info, and rates are unavailable because of the problem that I told you before. Here we have the shipments. Once we order pickup for our package, we go with schedule the pickup, USPS for example, and we fill out the form, or DHL Express, but we are not in US. Analytics. Here you will see the moving of your products or of your packages in Go Shippo. It's very good to integrate it with Shopify, for example, because that can be your like e-shop or something like that, and Go Shippo will track everything that you send. The nominal value, average price per package, total shipping. You can choose if it's past 30 or custom. It's a very nice feature. Settings we covered, and that's about it. As you can see, it's very easy to micromanage your shipments. You can bulk upload the CSVs from Shopify, for example, and print the documents, or manual entry of a label. If you want to log out, on the bottom left part, it's log out, and that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching and see you on the next video.